about specific heat capacity. This is Dr. Mocha. In this lesson for Year 9 core, you're not required to know much rather than understand what specific heat capacity is. Remember the graph we were talking about, heating curve, and we said that this is solid and then melting, liquid, and then boiling, and then gas. Solid, liquid, gas, melting, and boiling. And we said this is temperature, and this is heat. Specific heat capacity of a substance is the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. So it measures how much energy a material can store per degree of temperature increase. So when we're talking about specific heat capacity, it's how much energy is required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. So are we talking about the part of solid, liquid, gas, or the part of melting and boiling? We're talking about the part that is raising the temperature, which is in the solid, liquid, and gas. So this part is for specific heat capacity. So if I have, for example, 2 boxes and I heat them both up, how do I know which one will gain more heat faster? Like the example of the bimetallic strip we took in the previous lesson. Depending on their specific heat capacity. The one that will take energy to, for example, let's say this one heated much more than this one. Then this means that this one has the amount of energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram by 1 degree Celsius here is required less specific heat capacity because it doesn't need that much energy. And the one that just increased temperature a little bit needs more specific heat capacity because it requires more energy to increase the temperature of 1 kilogram by 1 degrees Celsius. That's all for this lesson. Have a good day.